Five killed in Lonavala waterfall mishap. All five bodies recovered. Government to issue orders banning entry of tourists at certain spots. Police said the spot where the incident took place is a restricted area under the jurisdiction of Indian Railways and the Forest Department. A day after 5 persons, including 4 children, were swept away in a waterfall located in a restricted area approximately 2 kilometers from Bhushi Dam in Lonavala. 2 more bodies were recovered on Monday during a rescue operation. The bodies have been identified as that of a 9-year-old girl, Maria Akil Sayed, which was located in the morning, and 4-year-old Adnan Sabahat Ansari, who was found in the evening. Police Inspector Subhash Jagtap of Lonavala City Police Station said, a team of rural police, INS Shivaji and members of Shivdurga Mitra Mandal had carried out a search operation on Sunday and traced 3 victims identified as Amina Salman alias Adil Ansari, 13 years of age, her sister Umira Salman alias Ansari, 8 years of age, and a woman Shahista Liaquat Ansari, 37 years of age. On Monday, a team of government officials and Pune Rural Police carried out a survey of various dangerous spots in the region. The government plans to impose restrictions on people entering these locations in Lonavala region during the rainy season to prevent such mishaps in the future. A senior police officer said the district collector will issue orders that tourists will not be allowed to visit certain dangerous spots in Lonavala after 6 p.m. Nearly 19 members of the families of Liaquat Ansari and Yunis Khan from Hadapsar in Pune city came to Lonavala for monsoon tourism on Sunday in a private vehicle. They included a couple that got married recently on June 2022. They had gone to the waterfall located in the interiors behind the Bhushi Dam in Lonavala. Police suspect that the flow of water was less at first. However, due to heavy rain, the waterfall gathered momentum, due to which 10 tourists playing at the spot were swept away around 3 p.m. on Sunday. Police said 5 of them had been rescued, but the other 5 were swept away into the reservoir connecting to the dam water. Police said the spot where the incident took place is a restricted area under the jurisdiction of Indian Railways and Forest Department. As per the directions of the district collector, a meeting was held with the officials from Railways, Forest Department and Pune Rural Police, Lonavala Municipal Council and other government departments concerned on Monday. The place where the incident took place is about 2 kilometers behind the Bhushi Dam. There are boards installed in the area so that the people to know it is restricted for tourists. We have identified certain dangerous spots in Lonavala. Restrictions will be in place at these spots as per prohibitory orders of the district collector. We appeal to people to be cautious while visiting and follow the restrictions laid down by the government, said Satya Sai Karthik, Sub-Divisional Police Officer, Lonavala. Former Corporator Farooq Imdadar from Hadapsar area said, the victims are relatives of each other. The woman who died in the incident worked as domestic help. Parents of the children who lost their lives are into a small business of selling bakery items Of the 19 persons who went to Lonavala, one hails from Uttar Pradesh and others have been residing in Hadapsar area for several years. I came to know that the couple from the Syed Nagar that got married on June 2022 also went for the trip and got injured in the incident, but their condition is stable.